I learned about most animals, how they live, thrive in their functional habitat, and what they eat, drink, and mostly how they live their life in Salina. I also learned about plants and Salina's history, about mining salt, and also lots and lots of facts about Malta. My favorite bird is the razorbill because it has black and white everywhere, and also it comes to Malta very rarely. It came to Malta 3 times last year. Apart from birding, I like in Salina. I also like spending time at Salina, doing the activities and nature, because for me, nature is my best friend. I would like for my friends to come to the nature guidance because they can learn about basically a lot of things of nature and other stuff, so that when they grow up, they could possibly be a birder.